dear children. I welcome you in today's English class. Dear children, as you are very much aware that very soon your exams are going to start. In this examination, you will get extract-based questions from literature section. So today, Quarrel from the poem The Quarrel, I'm going to give you a good revision of extract-based questions. So here I start. I quarreled with my brother, I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was light, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. The explanation of this extract is the poet writes about the quarrels between her and her brother. The poetess did not know the reason behind their fights. The arguments turn so. It starts over petty things, small things. He extorts his dominance, the poet rather be submissive. Now the questions. What is the name of the poem and the poet? Eleanor Frazon wrote the poem The Quarrel. Does the poet know about the reasons of the quarrel? Answers are here written. No, the poet does not know the reason of their fight. Give the meaning of fell out, fight. What kind of relationship siblings share generally? Question. The siblings generally fight with each other. Why did it end bitterly? It ended bitterly because both of them think they are right. Now the next extract. I quarreled with my brother. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along, we can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. Both of them even hate each other. One day, when the weather was not good, her brother patted her at the back as he decided to give up fight with her. He said that there is no point in having bitter relationship with her. And the poet agreed to her brother when he took the responsibility of his action. The questions are, what kind of relationship do they share? The answer is, they both hate each other. Definitely the siblings fight is short term, but it is there. Why did the brother pat it on her back? The brother patted at her back to talk to her. What was the intention of her brother? He wanted to patch up with his sister. Give the meaning of thumped, hit heavily. Why does it turn black? It means that their fight turned so. So dear children, I hope you all have followed and had some idea how you have to attempt the next upcoming examination. Thank you, dear one.